Here's an example of a trade collaboration I would say no to. So they reached out about my other TikTok account, which has 75,000 followers, which by the way, if I ever give you TikTok tips, they're from real accounts. They're not from accounts that tell you about TikTok tips. I have 4 TikTok accounts. So you're guaranteed to get tips from accounts that are almost like yours. I have a lifestyle, travel, and a local tips one. Anyways, that account has 75,000 followers. And the only reason this person gave me a budget of $10 was because when they initially emailed me, I asked, what is your budget for this campaign? Before that, she only mentioned a free product. So here it is, you would get $10 and a free product in exchange for one video times a TikTok post. I'm assuming that's a video on TikTok. This is a trade collaboration that I wouldn't do, despite how much I love the product maybe. The product is only $20 or something like that. And for me, I wouldn't be using the product anyway, so it's not a good fit for me or my audience. The product is only $20, and for me, I could just pay for that out of pocket and then not spend like 30 minutes to an hour making a video on it because I value my time more. Generally, I value my time at like $100 an hour. But you might really like this video. It might really resonate with your audience. You might want to use this product day to day of your life. You might also not have 20 bucks to spend on this, and you could also use $10. So if you're in that position, then yes, you might say yes to this. But generally, if it's a cheaper product and you could buy it yourself anyways, I would not do this collaboration. And just a warning, when I first started out as a content creator 6 years ago, I actually said yes to so many garbage brands because I thought it built my portfolio. But one, you can build your portfolio by yourself with the stuff you already own. And two, you're going to find that you have so much junk in your house over time that it's going to be such a hassle to find ways to donate and get rid of it. So minimize your stress, build your portfolio with the stuff that you already have at home, and think twice about these low value collaborations. Next time I say yes to a trade collab, I will definitely share it here.